it's Jennifer. Welcome back to another snack break. Today I have a special guest with me, my daughter,
Ariana.
And today we're going to be making apple smiles. The ingredients that we're going to be using today are
apples, peanut butter, and marshmallow.
Okay guys, the first step we're going to do is get a slice of apple and we're going to spread some peanut butter on it. And spread it evenly so that the marshmallow can stick. Alright, you can go ahead and put the marshmallow on. And put the top on. Another top. Alright guys, these are looking yummy already. And we got one more. You put that one on. And here I have some that I prepared ahead of time. And you may have to use some toothpicks just to secure them so that they can stay in place. But you want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
You can go ahead and try one and see what it tastes like. Which one you want to try?
This one.
Alright, let's see. Can you bite it? Is it good? Alright guys, thank you for joining us and I'll see you next week.
Bye.